My skirt ripped on the subway, and a car of strangers became a seam team. Evening rush. I stood to give up my seat, and the back of my pencil skirt snagged on a bolt. Pop. Cold air on my thigh. Heart pounding, I froze. A woman in scrubs pressed a sweatshirt into my hands. Another pulled safety pins from her tote. A man held his suit jacket as a shield. Someone angled a phone so I could see. In under a minute, they pinned the seam and tied the sweatshirt. A soft laugh moved through the car. At the next stop, I stepped off, and they gave me a wave like teammates. I walked the last blocks in a sweatshirt skirt with pins ticking, and my chest felt lighter. People can be so good.